Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I managed to take a profit with the charts you're seeing over here. So over the last 5 or 6 days I've been taking profits using the same strategy which I am going to show you right now. So stay tuned, watch till the end, so try to understand each and every point I'm going to raise. So before we start, the book that really helps me to use this method is called, as you can see here, Trading in the Zone, which is here, Fibonacci. I have Fibonacci trading, so you can zoom in and check it. So let me open it, or maybe you can download from my internet. It is working fine. You can have a higher amount of winning rate. It's up to 78.6, which I got from this one. So as you can see, sometimes you miss a trade, but sometimes you hit a stop loss. But most of the trades I hit the TP. So let's go and start the analysis, which I have recently made a profit on. So first of all, it was daytime. Today is Tuesday, so I think it's Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Monday. It's not Monday. My PC is not I think updated, but it's showing me it's Monday, February 3. No, it's not. This I think it is Tuesday. So okay, what I'm to do is, first of all, let me turn off this fractal indicators and also SMC indicators. First, I was here at this point, and directly what I'm going to do is mark the swing low and the swing high. So from here, what I have to do is marking the swing low and the swing high. So in my case, I'm going to mark the latest swing low, which caused this one. So for that, I'm going to mark the swing low, which is here. This one, this low make this high, right? So this low causes this high, so I'm going to mark it here. This is swing low. So next, what I'm going to look for is swing high here. So after marking these 2 points, I'm going to place my Fibonacci from lower to higher, because we are trading gold and gold is trending high at this higher time frame. So that we are going to mark from swing low to the swing high. Of course, my Fibonacci setting is, as you can see here, I use only one color, so you can manage seeing my Fibonacci setting over here. I turn off as a default. It looks like let me show you. Maybe your Fibonacci may look like this, but mine will be this one. So you can copy it here from here and set it to yours. So from this, what I have to look is there is 3 pointers which I'm going to look from Fibonacci lines, which is I'm going to enter so with different confluences. So the confluences is first of all I have to mark this one, the high and the low. Then after I wait for the retracement to this golden zone 61.8 or 0.618 is for me a golden zone. So maybe if there is a confluence I want to enter, I get from here, I will enter. But also if there is a high probability confluence, which most probably order block, I have to enter it here. So my stop loss in my most trades using this strategy, my entry is always 61.8%. so that is because most of my confluence meets at this point. But for this trade, what I have checked is that there is a fair value gap over here, as you can see. So this is a fair value gap, FVG. So this after FVG, the FVG is very long, so this might be the entry point, but also we will have to enter at an order block. So we have an order block here below 78.6. so if you read this book, it will indeed tell you a lot of strategies or entry points about this trade. I mean, in general, about taking trades from these 2 points, 61.8 and also 68.6. so here is my entry at the order block, and my stop loss sometimes will be here based on the market condition. If the market is very volatile, I will place my stop loss here, but the market was not volatile at the time when I trade, so I put my stop loss below, just below the order block here. So my stop loss here and my TP is always at the end of the Fibonacci 0.0 level. So in this case I win over, like, this is 3.9 risk reward ratio, or maybe if you put your stop loss here it will be 7.73 risk reward. So in general, if you enter it here, if you enter around 78.6, you will put the stop loss here. But if you enter here, you will put your stop loss here. Because of there is no confluences here, our order block is here, so most probably we take our trade from here. So this must be a clear video for you. So let me show you others. So it hits the TP link. As it hits TP link, it is going to reverse in other direction. So whether or not you are going to hold it or not, you must have to consider taking your profit here, because the market may continue to trend or reverse back to your entry points. So consider that you'll always have to make sure that your entry is here and your take profit is here, no matter what time frame you are using. Let me check others. For example, our last trade, this is not a trade actually, I was back testing it, marking the lower swing, low swing and swing high. So which I did is I mark this to this area. So my entry is always based on confluences. So if I take a limited amount of what we call this, I have to make sure that taking my entry on this one. So for that trade you have to always, if you didn't see any confluences like order block or fair value gap, actually this respects our confluences. This is our fair value gap, as you can see. So below the fair value gap we have a order block. So after order block, most probably the market will always go for the middle point. So in this trade it didn't go to the middle point, but this is how you're going to trade. So your entry will be at the order block here, okay, at this level, and your stop loss will be below this order block. Maybe your entry, your stop loss will be bigger, but consider the profit will be amazing. Here your profit. So let me check for others. So here is the other trade, marking the swing low and the swing high, and again you have to make sure to correctly analyze which one is which, really. So this is low, high, low, high, low. So the last low which break this one and make the high. So this is one, and we mark it like this. This is a perfect trade. As you can see, the confluence are this order block. It didn't close below. Actually on the 30 minutes you can check like the order block it like this. So, and also the entry point or our golden zone is perfectly triggered, right? So our stop loss will be here and take profit will be here. This is how you can win a lot of trade. By the way, here the same happened, here also the same happened, here also the same happened, right? Same, everything is same here. It is a great trade. This is missed trade, but if you take the low from here you could have win this trade. So this is how we can trade using this method. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are very new to this channel, you can actually this channel is new, you can subscribe, and I will upload another video clearly for you from the basic one. So don't forget to subscribe and be family to this channel. Have a good time.